we often have needs that we ask from them. Sa pamilya, sa trabaho, sa school, hindi maiiwasan na humingi ng favors, requests, o tulong sa mga bagay-bagay. At aminin, pagdating sa hilingan, wala na yatang mas hihigit pa kaysa sa paglapit natin sa Kanya. Lalo na pag may matitiring pangangailangan. But we have an extraordinary relationship with God, and His ways are extraordinary. We must believe that no matter what happens, He dwells here in our hearts and in our souls. We must have faith that He will answer all our requests and grant our wishes.